Number 1. Camo Drive Deck Tool, stand-up drill for decking. Drive can be used for edge, clip, and face fastening on any deck board surface. Install decking up to 5 times faster and all while standing up. The cordless stand-up tool attaches to your drill and comes with 3 quick change fastening guides. Not for use with an impact driver.
Number 2. Flush Mount Drill Bit. The flush mount drill bit system is the perfect way to easily hide your mounting or assembly screws like a pro. Simply adjust the depth of the cutter to match your screw head and pre-drill for your screw. It will drill a 1/8 inch pilot hole, depth adjustable, and make a perfect 9/16 inch countersink for your screw and cover cap. Install the screw, cover it with a cap, and it disappears perfectly.
Number 3. Festool 75-inch Guide Rail, 1,900 mm. Festool FS guide rails are available in 8 different lengths from 32 inches to 197 inches, 800 to 5,000 mm, providing the right rail for every application. The integrated splinter guard aligns perfectly to your cut line, saving setup time and serving as protection against tear out on cuts both with the grain and across. Guide rails can be easily connected using the accessory guide rail connectors for a rigid, secure and continuous connection. Guide rails make work easier by taking the tool to the work, and save time and money by eliminating laborious measurements, rework and wasted material. Use the FS Guide Rail, 75 inches, with the Festool TS Plunge Cut Saw to make precision cuts up to 69 inches long. Connect rails using Festool Guide Rail connectors to make limitless cuts.
Number 4. Mahesia, a 1/4 inch shank. A 1/4 inch shank 45-degree lock miter router bit, 2 inches in blade diameter, 3/4 inch stock. Mainly used for joining wood edge to edge, it will provide a durable joint. C3 micrograin tungsten carbide blades, high-quality alloy steel bodies with anti-kickback design. Heat-resistant Teflon coating to prevent building up of sawdust, resin, and pitch. Suitable for solid wood, particleboard, MDF, plywood, etc. Great for making a wood drawer, window, cupboard, or other woodworking projects. Designed for desktop engraving machines, such as CNC handheld and table-mounted router, it cannot be used in electric drill and drill machines.
Number 5. General Tools Mortise and Tenon Jig. Mortise machine features integrated clamps and swings arms that align and secure wood for accurate joints. Set your joint length, align the wood in the jig, and cut your mortise or tenon with any plunge router. Mortise and tenon joints are strong, stable, and used in many projects. It's considered one of the strongest joints next to the common dovetail, and they connect by either gluing or locking into place for a strong outcome. Number 6. Adaplee Square Hole Drill Bits, HSS Mortising Chisel Set for Woodworking. Square hole drills need to be used with square hole drilling machines, square tenoning machines. The square hole drill bit is composed of a center drill core bit and a sharp outer drill sleeve. Using this drill bit, installed on a square tenon machine, to make a square hole is faster than using a chisel or other manual methods, and the size of the square hole is more accurate. Number 7. Woodpeckers MFT Layout and Assembly Square. Woodpeckers MFT Layout and Assembly Square makes quick work of the often tedious task of aligning your track saw guide rail with the fence of your multifunction table. At 3/4 inch thick, this solid phenolic square can rest flat on the table and intersect with both the fence and the rail at the same time. No more trying to hold a framing square along the guide rail and hoping you've got it aligned. If that was this tool's only trick, it would be a great addition to your shop, but there's more. Number 8. Metabo HPT Cordless 18-volt Impact Driver. Introducing the subcompact cordless impact driver offering maximum power for tight spaces. At only 5.3 inches and just 1.8 pounds, without battery, this subcompact powerhouse is engineered to tackle tough jobs in hard-to-reach spaces. Replace bits quickly with an easy-to-use keyless 1/4 inch hex drive, plus enjoy ultimate control of the speed with a variable speed trigger. When working in dimly lit spaces, the bright LED light is designed to illuminate the work surface to allow you to get the job done. Number 9. Proxin Disc Sander. Housing made of fiberglass reinforced polyamide. Aluminum table, adjustable to incline 50 degrees downward and 10 degrees upward, with miter gauge. Sanding disc with a fixed silicone film. This surface ensures easy removal of self-adhesive sandpaper. 2 additional square silicone sheets ensure that used discs can be stored and reused as necessary. Can be mounted horizontally and vertically to a table or workbench with the included C-clamp. Also includes an adapter to attach a vacuum cleaner for dust-free working, as well as 2 each sanding discs 80, 150, and 240 grit. Number 10. Capro Flex Sander. The Flex Sander is your perfect sanding companion for efficient and easy sanding of corners, narrow spaces, grooves, and tight spots on flat or curved surfaces. It features an ergonomic, removable grip handle for extra control and precise pressure. Its 6-inch diameter base uses standard Velcro sandpaper, making it easy to change out discs. Once you start using it, you will never go back to your old sander.